morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Hernandez, and I am going to be explaining how to do part whole when the whole is unknown. Okay, so this is going to be our part right here, 11. Okay, our next part is 5, but we don't know what our whole is, so that's going to be unknown. And if you have a little piece of paper, I suggest that you make a little question mark, and you can put that on your mat if you want to do this on paper. Okay, so the question mark is going on our whole because we don't know what that is. Okay, so our first part is 11. Okay, and if you want, you can use your little counters. So I'm going to put 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, then we're adding, so our next part is 5. So I'm going to put down here 2, 4, 5. And now we need to solve for our whole. So in order to do that, we have a plus sign, right? So we're going to add, so we're going to put everything that we have here into our whole to figure out what it is. So let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So our answer to this problem is 16. Okay. Well, that wraps up the whole unknown for addition problems. So take care, stay safe, and I will talk to you guys again soon.